Friends, today I am going to present a cooking video on how to make Kerala's traditional dish Ishtu, my favorite dish for Sadya. Ishtu is a very simple dish that can be made very quickly and easily. My mother taught me and helped me with the preparation of this dish. The ingredients needed for this dish are 2 potatoes boiled and mixed, 2 green chilies cut lengthwise, a small piece of ginger nicely chopped, a half big onion nicely chopped, coconut milk, coconut oil, curry leaves and salt as needed. Here is the method for preparing Ishtu. First, put the boiled and minced potatoes to the cooking vessel. Then add the onions, ginger and green chili. Along with the second extract of coconut milk. And salt. After adding them, let the ingredients cook until boiling. When it boils, pour the first extract of coconut milk. And turn off the stove. To finish off the cooking, add curry leaves, and raw coconut oil to it. And the Ishtu is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this cooking video. Thank you.